Jamaica, watch
You know,
this.
so I'm sick for a year now. So them just do a EKG. But the nurse come and say something strange to me. She said, how long you been sick? I said, for a year now. She said, what? And she said, you didn't get any help? I said, every time I go to the doctor, them a put me in a mad house. She said, what? And she said, did you ever bleed all this time? And I said, yeah. When a urine, blood was coming, instead of urine coming down, was just blood, 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 blood. She knows something. I think she finds something, you know? It's like, you know, like your urine, you know, but you expect to see yellow urine, but it not yellow, it bloody. But it not thick. It's the same, it's the same, it thin like a urine, but a pure blood a come. Hear the funny thing. Me can't hardly urine. Me miss the days when you want pee-pee and you run go to toilet and you pee-pee and you feel good. That not happen to my body no more.